Alright. Hello, everyone. Hello, monkey. How about that? Hello, monkey? So, now that we have the, well, first iteration plus the little journey into the Pandora box, we now need to decide if we need walls, invisible walls, or we can handle ledges. Right now our character isn't actually walking. He is constantly in free fall. So instead it should use the Unreal Engine's attachment function or whatever to stay on a floor. For this, we need to experiment. We did experiments in the past, but I'm not sure if we tested really everything. So, have gravity. I used it. This thing works, but character itself, this guy, ice. Inputs. Here's the thing. Should I create an Oh, there's the walk of ledges thing here. That is very interesting. Need to find a way to go down there. How am I supposed to do this? Is that a capsule problem? Guess we could use that. Make it very small, but hello, baby. Leap family. Discontinuous collision detection. I guess we just reduce the capsule's radius to maybe 1 and then that. Makes transitions very, very hard. That's just hitbox problems in the end. Algorithm problem. Okay, so don't fall off ledge. Works. But now I need to do the same thing on here. And I believe if I make that guy's gravity upside down, it still thinks the top side is his head instead of legs. And I cannot just turn the capsule. I think. Or can I? That wasn't a help. Baby, tell me what you're doing. Pokemon? Huh. Which one? Huh. Did you ever play Palworld? You have so many games you still have to start. And instead you play A 3-year-old game. To be fair, you have some games that are even older that you recently got. Which are? Oh well. How do I reset this? Oh, it worked. How do I show the capsule? In? Okay, why does this not hit the floor? Clearly it's rotating. Very strange. I hate research. If I reverse gravity here right now, it will not float away because it is sticking to the floor. Never mind. And now, can it go... Excuse me, this works already? What? Huh? What? When did I do the tests? What did not work back then? It's that simple? And this works? I don't understand. Was I not able to walk? Looks so strange. Wait. I must be missing something. What was then the problem? I remember when I reversed the gravity, it was not flying. It would not go to the other side. Okay, now I'm very, how to say? Curious. Where's that thing? Get movement mode. Read the... Print this out. Enum to string. Now I wanna see. Right now we're walking. Now I press the reverse gravity. We're falling. We're walking. Oh my god, it works! It was just the gravity direction? Nothing else? That was it? Okay, let's make a little hat so we understand what is the upside, like this. And then when we change the gravity, take this, right? Where was it here? That direction is multiplied by -1. Get actor rotation. How do we do this? Cannot just go from this to this. Take this. So if you're in light side, if you want to rotate 180 degrees, and if not, at 0. Right? Okay, now what's going on now? Now we're just falling. What happened? Why does this not work anymore? Cube 1, cube 2. No collision. And I didn't change anything else. Why does this not fall anymore? Huh. Okay, remove cube 1. Okay, why does it not work anymore? Error. Warning reported while playing. Aha, okay, there's a... Wait. Collision cylinder has be movable. I'd like to move the... Excuse me? Okay, this... Huh? Why now? Why is it now a problem? Oh, this... It's movable here. Why is it not movable here? Excuse me, did I misclick or what? When? Man. Where? I don't understand. At the head again. So, this guy is walking right now. I press G to reverse the gravity. Okay, it didn't. Well, that works. Funny. That's the... Yeah. That's simple. Wow. Bye-bye. Yeah, how do I translate this into the game then? I'm so confused. So all my issues is because of this. No. Not because of that. Okay, now we have to find out where we actually reverse. Hello, Prime. How are you doing? I am right now in a mental state where I don't understand what reality is anymore. More like, it's not, how to say, let's say it like this. I developed a walking function, and that was like months ago, and I spent a long time on it to make it work. And right now I went and needed to change something so it works. As in, I needed to find a new way to do it. And for that, I recreated the thing, just copy pasted it, basically. And then I just tried one value, and it was what I needed. Like, instead of, I don't know how many days I worked on the original walk thing, I just went in 5 minutes, typed something, and it was the thing I'm looking for. And I am right now, how to say, in disbelief. Maybe I forgot something. Was it really that easy? Did I waste so much time for nothing? You know what I mean? That kind of struggle. Yeah, kinda. Only my first solution was the Todd Howard one. Okay, let's think. There's the flip. Why do we need the flipping float? Just for movement. Nothing special. Do it here too. Probably. Yes. What's the catch? I don't understand. What's the catch? What am I missing? I'm going insane. This effectively means that all of this is not needed anymore. With just 5 minutes of, oh, what's this? Let's try it, and boom, it works. And I just don't remember. Is this the problem? Because I'm doing the... I think this was because it just didn't work. But I guess that's the problem. I just had to tell Unreal, hey, do your own shit. But now downwards is upwards, actually. Instead of saying, hey, the gravity you're giving, no, we don't do it. We do it this way. He didn't like that. Well, extra work and wrong work. You see, the real problem is this. I can show you real quick. We have this game here where I can walk around, and there are some floating islands you can go to. And these floating islands have like these paths you can walk on. And there's grass here, whatever. You should not be able to walk on the grass. You can only walk on the walkable paths. Now, for me to stay here, I would need to make invisible walls so we cannot get past this. If I walk a little more, I would fall off right now. But Unreal internally has a little function which is character don't walk off ledges. When I do that, say yeah, maybe I can just do it right now. Player. Oh, that's player. Capsule. Movement. Then ledge. Can walk off ledges. We say false now. Now I can't walk anymore because I changed it as in the game. But let's do it here. Edge. If I do this, it should not be able to walk off the ledge, but there's a problem with my character. It can go off ledges because my character actually is not walking. My character is actually flying. And I don't remember why, but I think if I told the gravity, hey, you're now upside down, it would not leave the ground. So I made it so that it is never grounded, it's always flying. So I need to reverse every change I did to this, or delete and add it again or something, or reset everything. Turn this off. And then when we do the gravity stuff, I just delete everything related to gravity. And then just tell this guy here, gravity direction, and then we can also get gravity direction, and then we multiply this by a float literal -1 that reverses the direction, and boom, this is the solution to all my problems. That's what I'm doing right now. The hitbox just hits the ground and then it's walking, but actually it is not snapped to the ground, which is the proper way to walk on ground. Because if you are walking and there are like little slopes and so on, you would be always falling off. Like, how to explain it? If you have like a ground, you can walk on it, no problem. But if you have like a ground, like there is a little thing here, and you walk here, like this is a foot, okay? Normally you would want it to go this way, right? But if you're flying, it would do this. You would be like jumping off ledges, and that's not good. So my approach gives this thing a very extreme kind of gravity where he's always here, but he still does this, which is wrong. But it was a very, how to say, a workaround, a shitty one, and now I have to reverse everything because I found the proper way by accident. Well, what means accident? I wanted to find it, which is the stream. I'm just surprised that I found it for like in 5 minutes instead of days. I'm so angry at myself. Okay, so what is our strategy here? I think I should make a backup just in case I break something, and then just dive in and rip everything off what past monkey did. Okay, let's make a backup. Give me a sec. Make this screen black. All right. Alright. Come on now. Get off. And now... we just go in and go monkey on it. I guess. Let's see. So, our character's here. And now we have to follow all of these functions that go and do some gravity stuff. And also get rid of all of these things. Walk speed, whatever. Air control. Good thing that there is always this reset thing, so you can actually reset. I guess we got everything. That's good. Collision capsule needs maybe be smaller, but I don't care about that right now. Now that is reversed. This needs the ledge thing off. Perfect. And now we go one by one and delete everything related to that. Initialize the player character is fine. Entity. Size. Fine. Camera. Okay, this is fine. Player interaction procedure should be whatever. That doesn't matter that much. But we could check the cliff jump. Is this the one? The cliff jump. Huh. Ignore. Enable. Fine. It. Okay, this is just doing the animation itself. Don't care. This is just the movement flags. That run animation should be not interesting. Fine. Movement vector. Am I using this anywhere? That's funny. Well, we can get rid of that code. Calculate vertical. Now here is the problem. Movement north active, true. Z is 0. Okay, there's no problem here, never mind. Check ground and grounded. These are things that I need to remove. Let's make a checklist. Tools to remove. Grounded. Check grounded. Or check foreground, never mind. Check foreground. Okay. Calculate horizontal. Same thing here. Calculate movement, movement active, calculate vertical, move procedure, that's important, not moving procedure, what's that? Ah yeah. That needs to be removed probably. Round. If true is this, if not, D. Is this important for us? Maybe this needs to go here now. I'm not so sure. And line trace we don't need. Check. Everything here can go away. Turn off gravity time signal. There's a time signal? Oh god, this is such a bad thing. See how much there is. Everything for that walk around because I didn't find that one thing. Or didn't think of it being the solution. So I can just do this probably. For now this should be fine, and all of this, okay, clean up after. So we go here and we follow this or go in here. Flip toggle. Get actor rotation. What do we flip here? Dark side. It's just the character itself. Whatever. Flip toggle, flip, enable controls, parse payload for level values, that's fine. That interaction actor should be fine. Level object root scanner. What's this? Seems to be dead. Dev create battle group. Create battle group from entity array. Maybe. Where am I using this? Using this? Here, an overworld controller. Bombs from outside. Build overworld from safe. Ah, I see. Okay. That's important. Okay, this is fine. Add visibility, we don't care. Add exit energy bucket, we don't care. Empty bucket. Rotate camera clockwise. Pitch up, down, camera, yaw, calculation. These are whatever all. I think. Camera rotation procedure. That run animation. Hair, cliff jump. Fine. Jump animation done. Cliff jump. Restart cliff jump. Oh. Something else. This goes to here. Yeah, don't care. Cliff jump done. Spring arm. Detach. That rotation. That's fine. Landing. Enable control set run animation. I don't care. What's here? Start landing animation. That's just animation. We don't care about that. We're almost done. Interesting. Automated walking to target position. We don't care probably. Step heights. If you're scanning the floor, I guess for that we can use it. Okay. Check if orientation reached and end. That run animation should be run. Okay. That avatar rotation. Here movement flags. Stop movement, disable controls and clear flags. Just a second, I will get something to drink. Okay. Stop movement, disable controls and flags. That's a problem. As this can die. Really don't care about this. Pop up for interaction. Also, resume after pop-up. Turn off gravity timer signal. Turn off gravity timer. We have to follow these. Moving procedure. Now this probably is a very important part. Spring arm. 90 degrees. What the hell am I doing here? Ah, okay. This is important. What about this? Oh yes, this is all important. Camera rotation. Okay. But this one? Oh, this is dicey. We don't care about this one. But how do we do this? Character... Gravity direction set. What's the default? Vector will be normalized. I guess it's -1. So if we are in light side, this is positive, so we just multiply this with -1 and add it to Z, then we should be fine. Probably. Hopefully. Oh, we are diving into hell right now. Okay. This is fine, this should work. Wait, why would I... No, this is not correct. This is not the place to do this. Where's the flipping float? This guy. Where do we set this? Here, flip. Here we need to do. And even delete this and... Oop. So if you're in light side, it should be -1, be +1. Where else? That's set. Even here. Come. Wait, what's going on? That's set. That. Loads. What happens here? Lift job done. okay, but when do we do this then? And now this is the flip toggle. Okay. Where does this go? We don't use this? Great! More dead code. Okay. Probably don't use this, but just to make sure, let's add this code in here. Okay. Rest is a get. Okay. And let's think. Where do we use this? Rounded. Set. Get. Not moving. Is only used for the not moving. Check for ground. Find. Set. Not moving. Okay, so our initial combing for the character movement to find out where we have to do some resets and so on is now finished. Now, if you're lucky, it just works. And if not, I will cry, probably. Oh, we're very slow now. Something we can change by doing the values, I guess. But does this work? Oh no, why are we a little faster here? Under. Let's jump to the other side. Oh. What happened? What's going on? Excuse me? Oh, that was extremely odd. Why would that happen? And why are we quote unquote falling so slowly? Well, now we landed. Shouldn't be able to get off the ledges, which is good. Oh, what happened here? Why does it push us up? How am I supposed to find this problem now? That's such an odd problem. And why are we not just falling normally? Makes no sense. friction problem? Oh, that's a lot faster. That's good actually. If I do reverse that friction to 8, are we then slow again? Yes. So let's keep it at 1. But this does not solve our other problem. Why is our gravity not working? Mass. If I'm not mistaken, mass should not change change how fast we fall, but we should need a key where we can just put us in a higher position. Input filter and use J. Find first, and we find what? Character. The last player. Then get location. Set location. So this is plus 500. So if I press J now, we should get teleported up. Then we can see how we fall. Very slow. Which is odd, isn't it? So what makes us... Oh... Where was I? We have to find out why we are falling so slowly all of a sudden. Are we setting gravity inside here? Somewhere. Action is correct. Action is correct. Now, where do we use this? Okay, I understand. This. We do nothing with gravity. The vector z a problem. Maybe that's the problem because I'm setting it everywhere. Ever not moving procedure is, I mean, more like this. Velocity. Then z goes in here. This one. No, this is not correct. This should be like that. Let's see. Does this work now? That's J. Yeah, that was the problem. That's great. But now we have another problem. I don't know why the hell we just get teleported up like this. Why does this happen? Boing. Boing. Is it maybe because I'm landing on the ground, teleported, and then it just tries to get away from it? How do we know? How could we know? First thing, could ask this guy if he gets any overlaps. Component hit, component begin overlap. Yeah. Print other actor. And then we could see what happens. Maybe we are just crashing into the ground or something. Right? Hello, do. So. Oh, it doesn't say it's overlapping anywhere. Oh. Someone just has problems. This doesn't work. Find this out. Could do something funny. Perhaps. Here, this guy. Here. Yeah, whatever. And then maybe not good. What if we 60 6. Oh. Oops. Maybe there is something with, I don't know, do not use impulses or something. Duped. Oh, that. And we are not landed. Did not change it. Very, very particular. This did not help. I'm just guessing here. This is very bad. How am I supposed to find the real cause of this? Impulse? High impulse on damage? Physics? Simulate physics. Damping. Solar damping. Enable gravity. Inflation. Radial force. Yeah. What is this? Inertia conditioning increases inertia when an object is long and thin. This only changes the inertia used in the low level solver. Inertia is not visible. When enabled, the effective inertia depends on joints. I mean, I don't want inertia, or no, I do want. Whatever, we can keep it. Well, let's try. I mean, what else can we do, right? God, man. Oh, of course not. Of course not. This is so bad. Oh, it's falling. Should write that down. Characters actually falling in the selections. Oh, look at that. It keeps the velocity. It builds the velocity, and if you let it go, then... So all I have to do is reset the velocity after the animation. That's so interesting. Why would it add only velocity to Z? So strange. That's so strange. Like there's no change in X and Y. Wait, this is the level thing. I'm looking for the Z. Come on now. Here. Yeah. We're moving X or Y. But it's only adding here. We could look into that. Okay, but first let's write a little ticket. Keep in our head. In level selection, character false. Infin. Does this happen anywhere else? And then we need a solution for this at some point. Not that important right now, but we need to keep this in mind. Okay, so we know what's going on. Kinda. Remove me. Okay. Oh, how do we fix it? Here's the cliff animation. Cliff jump, start jump. Timer. What happens here? Jump active, true. Light to dark, true. Transition character, set rotation, jump spline, just the angle, set actor, whatever, set actor location, set actor up. I really don't know what's going on. We are not setting anything on the velocity here. I believe there's nothing else we're doing with this. Just the rotation and the location. That's all things we don't need. Maybe I should clean this up actually. Huh. So weird. Okay. So we just go here and say if it's done, I'll jump done. Where does this go? References. Where's the bind? Here's one. Ability, that's funny. I'll call. Unbind. Where's the bind? Here. No, it's the same battle here. Unbind. Are we even using this? Self. Cliff jump. We only have calls, but where's the bind? Bind, jump, done. Yes, we're not using it. Isn't that great? Just more that code. Start landing animation. I mean, we need to unlock the walk animation somewhere. Does it happen somewhere way different? Man. Yeah, cliff jump done. Where do you get triggered? Unbind event from jump done. I guess we bind it here then. References. Bind. Here it is. Why didn't it find it? Okay, so unbind this thingy is correct. Correct. Blah blah blah. Current. And all we need to do is get here velocity set 0 and we should be fine, right? Let's see. Move away. Oh, we hear this real quick. And there we go. Look at that. Amazing. Now this is strange. Why would it do that? I guess because those, but anyway, that's one of the problems solved. Moved. Okay. Let's go to our player capsule and say the radius is actually 1 now. Try again. Nope. Why the hell does it do this? It's so strange. Oh wait, my walk thing works very different. I need to get rid of some things, right? Or not? Other movement. This one. Vertical, horizontal. There. Don't need this. Then movement. Huh? Where's the floor scan stuff? Ah, we don't do that anymore. Okay. I just don't understand why we are sliding on an edge. It makes no sense. What? It's like I fix one thing and then something else breaks. Can't it just work? This can't be that. I mean, oh. Why do we have a movement vector value? Let's find out what we're doing with that. If we're manipulating it wrong. Calculate vertical. Doesn't seem like it. Maybe I should print this out and see what's going on. Because this makes just no sense. No? We walk, nothing changes. Actually, nothing changes. Just says no. I will go upwards now. I don't care. Like, what the hell? What? What? Oh my. This hurts! Wait, you are not Bevi? Hello, Jarla. I'm sorry, you guys have both the same color. I'm... Hello. I'm so dead. Why is this so annoying? What else can I look? Why we I mean, we are overriding the velocity here to 500 in a direction. So I don't see this thing changing right now. So if I'm on a wall, there is no way it will just say 500 on X. There's just no other way right now. But it is not the truth, because after that something happens. But I'm not sure if this is velocity or just teleporting. Why would this happen? Like, I walk and then boom, just walk upwards. What the hell? Let's add this on event tick, maybe. Let's see what it does here. Maybe on the tick we can find out that the values are actually different. See this? It translates it to Y. All of a sudden it's Y. Why would this happen? And why does it happen here and not here? Why does it not happen here? I mean, maybe it does happen here too. Never mind, it's also happening here. Just in a... Excuse me? This is some bullshit. It's completely flat, not turned. What? How is this correct? I just walk here and then it just redirects it. This is how do I solve this? Like, it should actually slide when it's a little angular, but not if we are like 90 degrees to it, right? This shouldn't happen. Okay, I don't know how to search for this, but I will give my shot on ChatGPT. Maybe we are lucky. Let's see. No, it's not helping me. It says, yeah, you can modify, have fun. That's not like breaking. Breaking friction, but I'm not breaking, I'm walking. This makes no sense. We can't test. Hello, Yami. Okay, let's see if the other problem is solved. I mean, it will still slide along probably, but just want to see if we are now falling off the edge. No, okay. This is good. At least that is fixed. Maybe I'm just using the wrong way to move the character, I don't know. Like maybe it's not velocity. I am confused. Am I reading it wrong? Add movement input. And it's a pawn. And a character is a pawn. Add... Wait, input? The input category. No, this is something else. How to drag off from the execution pin of your input X blah 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 node, and in the drop down menu search for the selected add movement input node, then connect the axis value blah 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 blah. Add movement. Okay, it can find it here. Okay, I wrote it wrong probably. That's what's going on here. World direction. Scale. Force. I don't care. So we do this. Get this. Split. And boom. Hopefully this works. Oh my god. Okay, we have to see that we don't slide around. But for now we can move. Let's see if the edge thing works. Well, we bump into it. Kinda works, but also kinda not. Like, I would expect if I'm like this, I would slide here. I mean, it's fine. It's not that problematic. But this bumping needs to stop. Like, why is it doing this? This is very stupid. Okay, so velocity is clearly not the correct way to do this. Let's think. Let's get this sorted again. And then maybe the tutorial says something about some settings we should do. Probably not. Okay, we don't care. Unreal character ounces of ledge. God, people, this is so annoying. Like, holy... 20, I don't care. Like, there's an acceleration. I don't want acceleration. But at least the stopping is nice now. Nicer, that is. Acceleration. I guess we do that. I don't know. What do you mean by path following? Still have an acceleration here. Like, what the hell, man? I wanted to have a... I don't want it to slide like this. Thanks about animation. So helpful. don't think this solved the problem. Make it. Okay, okay. Little. You want to play games? How about that? Even now, it needs acceleration. Maybe that's a little too much. I'm so frustrated right now. What the fuck, man? I don't know what to search. I really don't know how to solve this problem. It should never be a problem. Like, I'm using Unreal's functions, and it just does something very, very strange. Is this the behavior that Unreal implemented into this? If yes, then it's garbage. And I don't believe it is implemented wrong. I'm probably using it wrong, but I don't know what I can set. Should I use a, I don't know, a template and see how they use it? How they do it? It makes no sense. It just makes sense in my head. A second. What do you guys think? Does it work here? Can walk with this guy. It has like acceleration or whatever, but I don't care about that. Let's see if we can change the walk off ledges thing. On something here. Where is our character? Maybe we look into this instead. Nothing here. How do you start your stuff? How does the starting thing here? Where's the game modes? Okay, that's the thing. Third person blueprints. Oh, get that. Character here. Ledge. Off. Now show me. Look, here seems to be correct. But that's something else. Capsule. Radius. And then here perch. This. Oh, I wanna see. Oh, it's still happening. Like, it's bouncing. It is bouncing off the ledge, and this is exactly what I don't want. And no one else was bothered by this? Can it be? Like, this is fine for everyone that uses this feature? And it's not even consistent. If I go diagonally, it's a different case than... Oh my god, it even depends on what diagonal direction you take. It's like, what? This is so annoying. Like, if I hit this edge, I would expect it to just stop. But if I hit the ledge and jump, it just... Look what happens. If I hit it in the correct thing. Let's see. Right? It just sends me sideways. Why do I even move sideways when I hit the ledge? Like, why does it go to the left? This is so stupid. This was on 12 or 15, right? No, even then, it moves to the left. What is this? God, this is so annoying. But it also happens on the test project, so I don't know how I will solve this, but I guess we have to find some kind of way. Does it have a... I don't know, is there an event to find a ledge? If ledge or something? What's in here? Okay, I don't care. This is enough for today. Like, holy shit. We solved many things, but as we cut through the jungle, we find out that the jungle is just a piece of shit. Anyway, I guess this was day 1 of research. And I'm just missing one puzzle piece, and it would be finished. No problems at all, but no. Well, tomorrow is another day. And this was like almost 3 hours again. But if we solve this, all I have to do is just add collisions to my pizzas and everything will work out of the box. I just need to also change the way how my orb links walk. Right now they're also rather doing the stupid thing, but oh well. Anyway guys, I'm not sure who is still here. Jarla and Baby. Prime is here, Yummy is here. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey. You said money instead of monkey. Anyway, bye bye.